Mm-hmm. No, that won't fit in the bedroom. It won't fit. It's too big. Put it back. You need to put gas over there? Mm. Oh, yeah, you know it, huh? There's no more gas, huh? Okay. Okay, let's go to the room. Go. You know your way, right? You know your way to the room? Okay. Yeah, you know your way to the room. Yeah, you know your way. That's good. Is that? Yay! We're almost there in our room. Good job, baby. Okay. Open, push. Open, push. Good job. All right. Thank you. Welcome to Joshua's room. You're pooping? Okay, close the door now. Close the door. Slowly. Good job. Okay, let's go change you.